Who is he?
He's dead. What the heck?
Oh, it's time.
Did you just say it's time?
Well, working in Outer Banks was pretty bloody crazy.
Bloody crazy.
Kramer's been dead for 10 years.
What did he say?
Kramer's been dead for 10 years.
Cranberry?
Kramer. You know, that's from Seinfeld.
Yeah. What's Jigsaw's real name? Let me guess it.
Dude, worry about He's such a baby.
Look, Stanford is not the only college in the world.
She's standing up with a pillow like this. She's holding a pillow to her ear, standing upright.
Hi, I'm Eric.
Should I go second? Hi, I'm Jake.
I'm Mike.
How you boys doing?
Did you like when I said to your ogre?
Haunted beach house. You enter with a life and you leave alone.
This is like Invisible Man shit right here.
I couldn't even see him.
Consenting adults who have figured out to mix their DNA
For ultimate power.
for ultimate power.
You know where the fourth movie could go? Remember in the first one he goes, or you could go back and witness the birth of Christ.
Imagine like fucking in ancient Jerusalem, a fucking DeLorean.
Just to see a baby come out?
They'd be like, who are you? And he goes, I'm the fourth wise man.
I'd show up early, be like, hey, you guys need a place to stay?
Okay, and what gift did you bring? Jeez. Here's some
here's a
peanuts.
75 cents
75.
in future coins.
We gotta talk about your son, Mary. Pretty complicated, actually.
I hope someone sits on that.
We've created the ultimate life. This guy.
Jason Wick Clark.
He's so whipped. Rah, 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 rah.
She's applying to USC. She wants to do video game design.
What?
No!
What are you talking about?
It's like Dr. Jim Kramer, right?
Jim Kramer. Jim John doesn't
What?
fucking
Isn't
matter.
that the money guy? Grazie. Malcolm, I just want to be with her.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
Oh my god. She has a twin, but he died.
Played by
Aaron Taylor-Joy.
close.
This is chilling.
It's chilling.
He goes, oh, my Nikes. And someone goes, what?
So they like rope him up. What'd you say?
What did you say? What'd you call them boots?
We don't take kindly to Nikes around here.
And in case you don't know why I'm doing this, I have cancer.
By the way, I'm dead.
I'm not around right now.
Wait, what does she mean next stop? They're not going to open the fucking...
Okay, so all right. Sad backstory involving a locked door. there you go. I got it written right there.
That's so pathetic. He doesn't get to use his own last name. Jake's ahead of the movie. Jake, what do you got?
I figured something out.
What do you figure out?
It's not about the movie at all. It's about society.
I did not see that one coming.
Why, if it ain't Martimus McFly?
But I done told you never to come in.
He didn't touch the computer. He went in.
I wanted to watch it again, ... because I didn't remember shit. I didn't pay attention.
Jake fucking saw.
Hey,
We're professionals.
we're professionals.
Put some respect on his name. It's Jigathy Saw.
That's his name?
Jigathy P. Saw.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, it's hitting.
It upset me that Elizabeth Olsen dared to have a twin. Yeah, it did.
Oh! Saliva. I hate saliva.
I hate getting spitted on.
I hate getting spitted on by a duded up little cunt.
We can say the C word on here?
How old's your sister? 40. But she's paralyzed. And she needs someone to watch her. Takes his glasses off. My God.
He crushes the glasses.
Oh, she's like, oh, thank God, just a dream.
It says C reversed.
Also, his hair is like teased.
He's honestly never looked better.
Jigathy's looking good.
Jigathy went to Disney every
My
week.
dad loved me.
Come back. You can pick up the pen anytime.
I want them to make John C together.
What?
John A was his dad. John B is him.
Oh,
And he's
oh,
gonna have
oh.
a little John C. Look at him. Boom.
You're right back in the fairy tale again.
She's on her front right now, but her head is fully turned around.
She's on her stomach.
Yeah. That was so creepy. I swear, that was chilling.
Holy fuck.
This movie is fucking chilling.
They're brushing their teeth with sand.
All you gotta do is Toothpaste is everywhere.
It's all around us.
It's all around us, Marty.
Aaron's passing the blame around.
Wait a minute.
Who the fuck are these? Are these the?
These are the characters from before.
Vision died.
Yes, what happened?
Ethnos. What's his name?
Ethnos? It's just a jacket again.
It's a,
I didn't really care about everyone.
Including you.
play this at my funeral.
It's ZZ Top.
What does ZZ stand for in ZZ Top?
Zebra Zealous.
Zip.
I was gonna say Zamboni Zambuca.
I totally love that guy and respect him, and I want to emulate him.
So
Oh my god, he looks like he owns a toy factory.
Oh, it's cursed, right?
yeah. Then her head fully turns around to look at him. Now, like, I love it, honey. Thank you.
8 o'clock. I do my killing after breakfast.
Oh, what a badass.
Is that true?
She's having my baby.
What the hell?
My baby and me.
This was filmed post-COVID, which is
Also, it looks like if I had to draw Michael Douglas from memory.
That why? So yeah.
Oh,
Let's see his bones.
He didn't get like John Jigsaw Kramer.
please explode.
that's his script. I swear, this is so unprofessional.
And also remember, this is a prequel. So when we find them in the first movie, they
went
did
through
this.
You'll never fucking believe what we just went through.
Got chased by a guy.
They murdered him.
She told him like her fears, and he's like, "I'm glad to not be you."
Oh, I hope you catch him. I need my bike back. My bike was stolen by a 10-year-old baby.
You better be gay and proving it.
Prove it.
Do all the Saw movies take place in New Jersey?
No, it's called New Puzzle.
Yeah, I've been on the new Puzzle PD for 20 years. We've never seen anything like this.
Freeze!
But a train can only go up and down. I mean, or left and right.
left.
If you're on a train and you see something to your left, you go, I want to go there. You cannot. So that's a limited life.
Oh, Topper!
Oh my gosh.
Everybody ready for a game?
I never knew that.
I thought that was her dead mom.
Do you think he lived in a house or an apartment? If he lived in a house, do you think he had like crazy lawn decorations?
Yeah.
Like,
Halloween all year long. Oh, this is her to the cops. Look, you gotta understand.
listen, man, this all happened in the ghost world. Like, I'm psychic.
She just looked right at the camera. She knows she's in a movie.
Wolverine, he's got metal bones.
No, it's still her.
He's got metal bones.
He goes, metal bones, Biff. That honestly startled me. Jesus.
It wakes up.
Oh, now that's what you want to see in a Saw movie is those.
Flashlights.
Nope.
The meat curtain.
The slats.
It was over his jealousy, and he's telling her, "Don't fight with me." New rule.
Don't ever argue with me, babe.
Yeah. Actually, that's rule 7 now.
It doesn't need to be like. I'm a little distracted. I'm not gonna lie. I am a little distracted right now.
I thought it went to commercials.
Fuck. The only take we got.
When guns misfire like that, does it really blow out like that? Like it looks like Elmer Fudd's gun.
Yeah. Oh my God.
It's got a good grip.
Yeah, that's why Doc likes her.
Okay.
Hey, it's the chaperone.
She's the CEO of awesomeness.
It's just a son of a bitch.
Yeah, that was like a trick question.
Just
like,
a real
Need a
asshole.
freedom.
That was-
Background characters were still dancing. The music stopped.
They were still They were still dancing, and didn't they just applaud music?
Did he give her a sword? No.
He just gave her a weapon.
Yeah.
yeah, you got him in the shoulder pad of the jacket.
I thought I heard someone yelling in the back.
I thought it was Noah going like, "Yo, stop that!"
Kids and food, darling.
Wait, where are you going?
Explode.
Doc Brown steals the only woman from the town.
Whoa! It just said Friday, April 9th on the phone screen.
Wait a minute.
Going further ahead.
Wait a minute.
Oh.
Wonder who is this?
Bob Saget.
Oh, nothing would make me happier.
How are you alive? Literally all I was thinking.
You have time for one question.
Oh, write me a letter.
Dear Peter,
If you're reading this, I'm already dead.
you should just play with your uncle's toys all summer.
We haven't seen those yet.
When you get a positive COVID result, they do blow a whistle. It's like when you donate at a fast food place and they ring the bell. Thank you. Oh, fuck. It doesn't work. Marty just falls. They name it McFly Ravine.
DeLorean Gulch.
Topper's trying to copper a feel. Absolutely.
Well, that's
he's like
problematic.
He's like that whole part of the movie's 10 years.
Oh, Jigsaw. Oh, fuck. Really?
Everybody on the ground.
That guy has a gun. Turn off that camera.
He feels bad. He looks sad.
Evan freaking Peters?
From?
Sleepover. Where's his skateboard?
That was maybe the craziest thing I've ever seen in my life. Can't believe what just happened, Jillian.
The Sprigg brothers? Who?